Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are doing the new chapter in English, that is in Rhino Land. Well, before I begin this chapter, okay, just tell me, do you know what is a wildlife sanctuary or what is a national park and why it is necessary to have wildlife sanctuaries? Well, you have heard about extinct animals such as dodo. You have heard now? So what happened to that animal? You know, excessive hunting and human apathy led to their disappearance from earth. Human beings जो उन्हें kill करते हैं ना, for their benefits, for money, for trade purpose, उनको kill कर देते हैं, hunt करते हैं, hunting and poaching. What happens? Ultimately, few animals they are totally extincted from this land, from the earth. So there is really a need of the wildlife sanctuaries and a national park. What is a wildlife sanctuary? It is a natural habitat owned by the government or private agencies. And what they do? They safeguard particular species of birds and animals. And national park, it is a protected area established by the government to conserve wildlife and they also develop them. You know what? वाइल्ड सेंचुरीज में क्या करते हैं, एक नेचुरल हैबिटेट बना दिया जाता है जहाँ पर एनिमल्स बड़ा सेफ रह सकते हैं, उनको प्रोटेक्शन दी जाती है ताकि वहाँ पर हंटर्स एंटर ना कर सके एंड दे शुड लिव पीसफुली. ऑलराइट, सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग to learn about the story of Kaziranga National Park, which is in Assam. And you know who is telling us the story? A lady rhino. Just imagine, एक animal ही हमको कहानी सुना रहा है. So who is the narrator of the story? An animal. You will really love this chapter. It is very interesting chapter. It has two parts, section 1 and section 2. Okay, so in section 1 Lady Rhino is telling us a story. Well, so Kaziranga National Park in Assam has the largest population of greater one-horned rhino in the world. पूरे वर्ल्ड में जितने भी वन हॉर्न वाले राइनोज होते हैं उनकी लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन कहाँ मिलती है? इन काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क. And every year what happens, they are the greatest attraction for the tourists from around the world. They come to just see the one horned rhino. हॉर्न का मतलब आपको पता है ना, सिंग, जिनका एक सिंग होता है. So we are starting section 1 where a mother rhino and a young visitor tell us about their experiences in Kaziranga Park. Okay, so it is the beginning of November and our home Kaziranga National Park has already seen the first trickle of tourists. Trickle of tourists मतलब first flow of tourists, first group of tourists. They had started coming to Kaziranga National Park in the month of November. And let me introduce myself. I am a lady rhino, or as the visitors call me, the greater one-horned rhinoceros. तो यहाँ पर the narrator is giving her introduction to us कि I am Lady Rhino. She is telling us all the story. ठीक है. Naturally, I get a lot of attention from the visitors as I wander about. So what she is saying कि when I wander about in this park, the tourists they love watching at me and they look at me. They really feel happy. What is the meaning of wander? There are two words, walking and wandering. Walking मतलब you are going outside with a purpose, but wandering means without any purpose. To roam here and there without any purpose. बिना किसी काम के यहाँ वहाँ घूमना उसको बोलते हैं wandering. तो एनिमल्स को कोई काम थोड़ा ना होता है. दे आर नॉट सपोज टू गो टू मार्केट एंड बाय द वेजिटेबल्स फॉर देम. नो, वो तो ऐसे ही घूमते रहते हैं जंगल में. ओके, तो लेडी राइनो हमें बता रही है, व्हेन आई वॉन्डर इन द पार्क एवरीबडी लव्स वॉचिंग एट मी. नाउ दैट आई हैव माई लिटिल राइना, शी अकम्पनीज मी एवरीवेयर. हु इज राइना? राइना इज हर डॉटर एंड शी इज 1 year old calf. तो बेबी राइनो को क्या बोलते हैं? काफ. जैसे कैट की बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं? किटन. डॉग की बेबी को क्या कहते हैं? पपी. सेम राइनोसिरोस की बेबी को क्या कहते हैं? काफ. द प्रेटीएस्ट इन द एंटायर पार्क. द विजिटर्स लव हर ऑलमोस्ट एज मच एज आई लव हर. आई एंजॉय वॉचिंग माई डॉटर लुक एट द जीप्स एंड द एलिफेंट्स विद ग्रुप्स ऑफ एक्साइटेड पीपल ऑन दैम. शी इज डिलाइटेड बाई दैम एंड दैट इज डिलाइटफुल फॉर मी. यू नो, मदर्स कब खुश होती हैं? जब उनके बच्चे दे आर हैप्पी. अगर आप लोग खुश हो तो मम्मा भी खुश होती है ना. सिमिलरली व्हाट लेडी राइनो इज टेलिंग टू अस कि जो मेरी डॉटर है ना राइना, शी इज़ द प्रेटीएस्ट इन द होल काजीरंगा पार्क. पूरे पार्क में उससे प्यारा तो कोई है ही नहीं और उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है टू लुक एट द टूरिस्ट एंड टू लुक एट द जीप्स. and the elephants with groups of excited people on them. तो वो उनको देख करके she always feels happy, and when I look at her I also feel happy. She loves watching people riding on the elephants. Okay, now Lady Rhino in next paragraph she is telling us that we are mammals. I have heard a guide explaining to the visitors that one-horned rhinoceros is a mammal. तो mammal कौन होते हैं? Mammals, they are the animals who give birth to babies. They do not lay eggs, they give birth to babies and take care of them, look after them and feed them. Okay, so we are mammals. Human beings are also mammals because they give birth to babies and bring them up. Okay, so these all the things Lady Rhino is telling us, and she tells us कि she has heard one tour guide explaining to the visitors. कि वो कह रही है मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने तो एक गाइड को सुना था कि वो किसी विजिटर को बता रहा था कि जो राइनोसेरोस हैं वो मैमल होते हैं. Okay, and what is the meaning of guide? Guide is a person who gives complete knowledge of a place to the visitor or the tourist. उनको बताता है कि वो हिस्ट्री बताता है उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस के बारे में, डिटेल्ड नॉलेज प्रोवाइड करता है. दैट पर्सन इज कॉल्ड गाइड. नाउ we live in the grasslands at the foothills of the Himalayas, but until some years ago our home was not safe for us. Many of us were hunted for our unique horns. So Lady Rhino is telling us that we were not safe earlier because human beings, they are so greedy. They used to come here, they used to hunt and they were killing us. But fortunately means luckily, today there are strong laws and safety measures in place to protect us, and I can see the change that this has made. So now Lady Rhino is telling us earlier we were not safe, but now government has made some strict rules. We are safe here, so we can live here without any fear. Now the hunters, they cannot enter this national park. Although we do not live together as a herd, I do see many other rhinoceroses or small groups of mothers and their calves. What she is telling to us कि हाँ, अब हम लोग इकट्ठे एक बहुत बड़े ग्रुप में नहीं रह सकते हैं, बट इन स्मॉल ग्रुप्स वी ऑल लिव सेपरेट. ओके, जैसे कि आई सी अदर राइनोसेरोसेस और स्मॉल ग्रुप्स ऑफ मदर्स एंड देयर काफ्स. फैमिलीज इधर उधर घूमती रहती हैं, एंड वी समटाइम्स एक्सचेंज नोट्स एंड डिस्कस हाउ रिलीव्ड वी आर टू नॉट हैव टू वरी अबाउट हंटर्स एंड पोचर्स. कहते हैं अर्लियर तो वी वर वेरी मच स्केयर्ड, हम लोग तो घूम भी नहीं सकते थे, बट हम लोग अब इकट्ठा नहीं रहते हैं. वी आर लिविंग इन ए स्मॉल ग्रुप, बट वी आर हैप्पी. वी एक्सचेंज नोट्स मतलब वी शेयर एक्सपीरियंसेस. वेन एवर वी वॉन्डर इन द पार्क, वी सी ईच अदर, वी मीट विद ईच अदर, एंड देन वी शेयर आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस. वी टॉक टू ईच अदर in their own languages. The animals can also talk. Okay, over the years I have wandered around Kaziranga and have seen that the park is very large. Very large means it has a variety of flora and fauna. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे plants और animals की species पाई जाती हैं, and I enjoy this place very much. I love this park very much. I especially love the tall elephant grass and the tropical forest. And Raina seems to enjoy walking in the marshland. You know what elephant grass? Elephant grass is a type of very tall grass. ऐसा कहते हैं कि elephant के size इतनी tall grass होती है. That is why it is called elephant grass. And what is the meaning of tropical forest? The forest that grow in warm regions and receive a lot of rainfall. And okay, Raina seems to enjoy walking in the marshland. Marshland मतलब an area of soft wetland means muddy सा एरिया होता है, तो वहाँ पर उसको अच्छा लगता है राइना को खेलना. Sometimes we walk into one of the 4 major rivers in our park. The Brahmaputra water is cool and comfortable on a hot day. सिंपल सी बात है, बहुत तेज गर्मी लगती है तो we enjoy taking bath in Brahmaputra. It is winter now. Now November time. In the first paragraph it was told na it is the beginning of the November. So November month is winter month. But the afternoons are still very warm. I think Raina and I will have a little fun in the Brahmaputra today. But since she is only a year old, I will take her to a safe spot away from the place where the larger animals gather. Lady Rhino is telling us today I am planning to go to Brahmaputra river and to enjoy with my daughter. But I am scared. मुझे डर भी लगता है क्योंकि my daughter Raina, she is too small, only 1 year old, so there is danger from the other big animals in the forest. At the moment, I can spot a wild boar and an Asiatic water buffalo. These are the animals. Now I am standing here and I can spot. Spot matlab see. From here I can see a wild boar. What is a boar? Boar means a wild male pig. Okay, pig. And Asiatic water buffalo, so it is native to Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. That is why it is called Asiatic. Okay, and it has been listed as endangered species. But otherwise, they are surrounded by a hornbill, Assam roof turtle, and a family of monitor lizards. These are the animals generally seen in the park. The river is lovely to wade. Lady Rhino is telling us that it is really lovely to swim in. Wading means swimming in the water. But whenever I think of that, so last year, what happened? There was flood in Kaziranga National Park, and 3/4 of the park was flooded. पूरा पानी भर गया था उस park के अंदर, and the animals, they had to rush outside the southern border. They rushed to the higher borders, okay, higher regions of the hills. Now, my friend Jhumki told me, Lady Rhino, she is having a friend also, and her name is Jhumki. So Rhino is telling us that yesterday her friend Jhumki told her that now Indian Army has constructed raised sections which are called chaporis also. Raised sections matlab whatever is the base of the park. बेस जो होता है उससे ऊपर थोड़ा सा उठ करके हायर लेवल पे, हायर प्लेटफॉर्म से बना दिए गए हैं, वेयर इन केस ऑफ टू मच रेन और फ्लड द एनिमल्स कैन बी सेफ ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दोज chaporis. Is it clear? So now Lady Rhino is telling us Rhino will soon need to learn about the other animals which are living in this park, but she is very bright. जैसे हम बच्चों को कहते हैं ना, मदर्स बच्चों को कहती हैं, oh my daughter is very bright. Bright means intelligent. So Lady Rhino, she is telling us she is very bright and she has already started recognizing the tiger, leopard, Bengal fox and the hoolock gibbon. Did you know that the hoolock gibbon is the only ape living in India? It's a type of monkey, ape, bandar. Once I showed Raina the Ganges dolphin in one of the rivers. एक नदी में उसने क्या देखा? Ganges dolphin. बेटे इसकी pronunciation है ना, Ganges होती है. Okay, गंगा से बना है, Ganges. Now Lady Rhino is telling us कि my daughter, she can recognize few animals. Once I showed her Ganges dolphin, but she got confused when I show her birds. And she always says, she means Raina, she always says all these Dalmatian pelican, Indian vulture, blackberry tern, they all look alike. Just imagine, they all are totally different, but my daughter, she says they all are same. Actually, she is learning now. She will learn in few days. So I like watching little Raina splash in water beside me. She plays with water and I love watching at her. She'll grow up surrounded by open grasslands. Lady Rhino is very happy that now our Kaziranga National Park is very safe. There is the most fascinating flora and fauna. We enjoy that open grasslands are there. Flora matlab, fauna means animals and flora means vegetation, plants, flowers. So many forests are being cut down everywhere, but I am glad that she has a safe home here. कहते हैं अगर मैं बात करूँ तो बहुत सारी फॉरेस्ट को कट किया जा रहा है, लेकिन हमारा नेशनल पार्क को गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया है, स्ट्रिक्ट लॉज बना दिए हैं. सो वी ऑल आर सेफ हियर एंड आई होप that like many of us, she too will learn to enjoy the friendship of humans. अब क्या होता है, यहाँ पर human beings आते हैं, they watch, they enjoy the beauty of this park and they love watching at us also. So मेरी daughter जो राइना है, she will also start loving watching at the human beings with passage of time. Alright, so section 1 is over. Now we'll start section 2. In this section we will learn about a boy Adil. Okay, he visited Kaziranga Park, so we will come to know which animals did he see there, what did he learn about the rhino, what is the role played by national parks in ensuring the safety of endangered species or animals, okay, who first thought of saving the rhino. So we will learn all these things in this section. Is it clear? Let us start this section 2. It is in a letter form that Adil is writing a letter to his friend Sameer. Let us start. Dear Samir, what a treat I had this winter. Mom and Dad organized a trip to Kaziranga National Park in Assam, and I saw the most amazing wildlife: deers, sambar, elephants, water buffalo, rock python, and even the famous greater one-horned rhinoceros. Alright, so Adil is writing a letter to Samir that I got a chance during this winter to go to Kaziranga Park, and I went there with my dad and mom, and it is in Assam. I saw so many animals. Deer, sambar कौन होता है? Sambar is also a type of deer, a large deer. It was really fantastic to go there. It was an ancient looking majestic creature weighing over 1600 kg and was taller than dad. किसके बारे में बता रहा है? राइनोसिरोस के बारे में, कि बहुत ही मेजेस्टिक, बहुत ही प्यारा और बड़ा क्रिएचर है ये, जिसका वेट कितना है? 1600 kg, और मेरे डैडी से भी लंबा था वो. आई वॉज अमेज्ड बाई इट्स थिक ब्राउन फोल्डेड स्किन एंड इट्स सिंगल हॉर्न. उसकी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस कैसी थी? बहुत मोटा, थिक, ब्राउन एंड फोल्डेड स्किन. फोल्डेड स्किन का मतलब था स्किन जगह जगह से रिंकल्ड थी, जुड़ियाँ से जैसे होता ना, मुड़ी हुई स्किन थी. I felt as if I had walked into a film set of some prehistoric era. मूवी क्या होता है? prehistoric मतलब बहुत पुराना, means which begins with the appearance of human beings around 6000 years ago. अगर हम बात करें तो ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे कोई इतनी पुरानी कोई फिल्म देख रहा हूँ मैं. In fact, we spotted a mother rhinoceros with her calf. हमने क्या देखा? मदर राइनोसिरोस को उसके काफ के साथ. Soon the two entered the nearby river and began swimming with wild abandon. मतलब बिना किसी की चिंता किए हुए, they didn't care who is looking at them. Without caring about anything, they started swimming in the water. It was a warm day and I learned that rhinos spend most of the day lying in pools. Pools मतलब पानी, water. रिवर्स में ही वो अपना टाइम स्पेंड करना उनको अच्छा लगता है. द टूर गाइड इन्फॉर्म्ड अस दैट दे आर एक्सीलेंट स्विमर्स एंड कैन इवन रन वेरी फास्ट. जस्ट इमेजिन बेटा, कितने हैवी बॉडी होती है बट स्टिल दे कैन रन वेरी फास्ट. और उनकी स्पीड कितनी होती है? 55 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. मीन्स 1 घंटे में 55 किलोमीटर्स तक वो रनिंग कर सकते हैं. That is faster than our jeep was going. We were going in a jeep. सफारी में थे हम तो, है ना? We were, and then what happened? हमारी जीप से भी तेज भाग रहे थे वो लोग. The rhinos also kept making sounds and the guide told us that this was a bleat and that was a squeak or a grunt or a roar. Just see बेटा, rhinos ना आवाज़ निकाल रहे थे, जैसे कि हम शीप की आवाज़ को कहते हैं bleat, squirrels squeak करते हैं, pigs grunt करते हैं, lions roar करते हैं. But the thing was that ही मतलब गाइड ने हमें क्या बताया कि जो राइनोस होते हैं ना, दे आर वेरी वोकल. वो डिफरेंट साउंड्स को निकाल सकते हैं इमोशंस के हिसाब से. उनकी साउंड्स हर बार अलग होती हैं. तो गाइड ने हमें बताया कि देखो ये ब्लीटिंग साउंड है, स्क्विकिंग है, ग्रंट, रोर. तो साउंड्स, डिफरेंट साउंड्स वर मेड बाय राइनोसिरोस. बट आई हैव टू से दैट ऑल द साउंड्स दे मेड सीम्ड मच द सेम टू मी. लेकिन मुझको तो सारी की सारी साउंड्स एक जैसी ही लग रही थी. बट द गाइड वॉज वेरी मच एबल टू डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन द various sounds because he was used to of that creature and he knew it very well. He was living there and he knew everything about them. Okay, so he made me know कि देखो ऐसा है, ये इसी की sounds हैं. I hope you will be able to see this fascinating creature sometimes soon. The greater one-horned rhinoceros is listed as a vulnerable species because of excessive hunting and poaching. And now, what is the meaning of वल्नरेबल? सिंपल बेटा, ऐसे एनिमल्स जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क है ख़त्म होने का. मीन्स द एनिमल्स दैट आर एट द रिस्क ऑफ बिकमिंग एक्सटिंक्ट, जिनको बचाने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, उन्हें बोलते हैं वल्नरेबल एनिमल्स. ठीक है, तो वो स्पीशीज़ हैं बिकॉज उनकी एक्सेसिव हंटिंग की जा रही है, पोचिंग. एनिमल पीपल, यू नो, ह्यूमन बींग्स, व्हाट दे डू, दे एंटर द फॉरेस्ट एंड दे हंट सच एनिमल्स. अब नेशनल पार्क्स और वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज में तो ह्यूमन बींग्स कैन नॉट एंटर बिकॉज दीज एरियाज आर प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज. गवर्नमेंट के स्ट्रिक्ट लॉज हैं, नो बडी कैन एंटर. येस, यू कैन गो देयर टू सी द ब्यूटी ऑफ द वाइल्ड लाइफ बट यू कैन नॉट किल एनी एनिमल. तो राइनोसिरोस को बचाने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ गई है. रीज़न क्या है उसका? क्योंकि अब ये एक्सटिंक्ट एनिमल्स होने वाले हैं. दे आर एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज, तो उनको बचाने की ज़रूरत है. ओके, नाउ fortunately national parks such as Kaziranga ensure that the endangered and vulnerable animals have a safe natural habitat. अब उनको यहाँ पर ला करके रखा गया है और उनको एक natural habitat provide कर दिया गया है where the animals they can live in their natural environment. This particular park spreads over more than 400 square kilometers. कितना बड़ा है वो एरिया? 400 square kilometers, and we couldn't see the entire place. Mom explained that it has been declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. So Adil is explaining all these things to Sameer through a letter. And what is World Heritage Site? You know beta, it works for the protection of world cultural and natural heritage. Okay, and UNESCO तो हमें पता ही है, it is international organization ना, it encourages international peace. So Kaziranga National Park, it has been declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Now in next paragraph further, Adil writes to Sameer that he had read that in 1904 Mary Curzon, who was the wife of George Curzon कौन था? He was a viceroy of India at the time. 1904 में तो हम इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं थे ना, we were slaves. भारत तो आज़ाद नहीं हुआ था, भारत तो got independent in 1947. तो उस समय क्या था, भारत में वाइसराय. What is the meaning of वाइसराय? रूलर. वो एक राजा नहीं होता है, बट जो मेन किंग होता है ना, उसके बिहाफ पर एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होता है जो वहाँ पर टेक केयर करता है, लुक आफ्टर करता है, हेड होता है वहाँ का, उसको बोलते हैं वाइसराय ऑफ इंडिया. तो वो 1904 में कौन था? जॉर्ज कर्जन वॉज हियर. तो वंस हिज वाइफ वांटेड टू सी द राइनोसेरोस दैट दिस प्लेस वाज फेमस फॉर. व्हेन शी केम शी कुडंट स्पॉट अ सिंगल वन. स्पॉट मीन्स सी, उसे एक भी नहीं दिखा. देन शी परसुएडेड हर हस्बैंड टू एंश्योर दैट द वाइल्ड लाइफ इज प्रोटेक्टेड. परसुएडेड मीन्स then she talked to her husband. She gave all the possible reasons to satisfy कि हमें तो वाइल्ड लाइफ को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए. थैंक्स टू ऑल दीज एफर्ट्स, बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स किए गए. एंड इट इज सेड कि पार्क नाउ हैज़ द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन ऑफ वन हॉर्न्ड राइनोसेरोसिस. सो वी स्पॉटेड आवर फर्स्ट वंस विद इन एन आवर्स ड्राइव. जब हमें 1 घंटा हो गया था जीप में जाते हुए उस पार्क के अंदर, तो विद इन 1 hour वी वर एबल टू सी one-horned rhinoceros. It seems strange to be back now in this concrete jungle after taking in all the sights and sounds of wildlife in the park. What he says, now तो I have come back to my place. अब तो ऐसे लगता है कि as if it is a concrete jungle, because I had been to such a beautiful place, Kaziranga National Park. I don't want to come back to such place which seems or appears to be a concrete jungle. And what Adil says कि I want to go there again and again. Maybe I will go to some different part of the park because I couldn't see the whole park. It's too big. And then he says to Sameer that okay, next time you can also join us. Alright? That's all about this chapter, beta. Hope you like the chapter. So what is the message given through this chapter? That human beings should not be greedy. They shouldn't kill the animals. We should appreciate the beauty of the nature. We should love wildlife. As we feel pain, animals too feel pain. So we should learn the nature. And human beings, they are very greedy. They shouldn't hunt the animals for their greed, for making money. It is very bad. It should be banned. Alright? That's all. Do all the back exercises and question answers given in the book, beta. In case if you find any difficulty or you find any difficult question, you can just ask in the comment box. I will answer. Okay children, that's all in this chapter. Take care. Bye.